Here we have a 2018 Toyota Sienna LE all-wheel drive. Has a 3.5 liter V6 and just over 9,000 kilometers on it. For the interior of the Sienna, we have your power mirrors, windows, and lock controls right by the door handle. We have plenty of storage along the bottom of the panel. Nice big speaker there. Interior is a nice two-tone. Cloth seats. Driver's seat is power operated with the switches just off to the side there. Don't worry, we'll gas up the vehicle for you before you come in. As you can see, has 9,253 kilometers on it. Down here, we have your traction control, the power switch for the rear doors if you're wanting to disable them. Here, we have a little pocket for storage and coin slots. Below that, we have your gas cap release and your hood release, or hood latch, I should say. On the steering wheel, we have your Bluetooth control and stereo controls on this side. Your gauge cluster controls up here. We have your parking sensors and your lane departure there. And down here, we have your cruise control. For the stereo, we have AM, FM, and XM radio, USB auxiliary inputs, and a CD player as well. This is also where you'll find your backup camera. So when you put it in reverse, pops up, put it back in park, goes away just like that. Automatic transmission in the van, of course. It's on the dash around all your controls, but it's not blocking access to anything. So it's actually a really good location for it. For your climate control, it's 3 zones. So 2 big dials are for the front passengers and the small dials for the rear passengers. Air conditioning all the way throughout. Here we have your heated seat controls for the front seats and your USB and auxiliary inputs right there. You have a 12-volt plug-in there. And when you press on this little panel, cup holders. Or you can put them away if they're in the way of anything. Below that, we have your aftermarket radar detector. And below that, we have this little storage area along the bottom. For the center console, 2 more cup holders, and then a flat storage area here. Press the button, opens up, and gives you a nice deep storage space there. See the two-tone on the doors there. You have lower, upper glove compartments as well. On the mirror, where you'll find your garage door openers, auto dimming with your compass up there. And up here, we have your controls for the dome lights, and these buttons are the front controls for the rear doors. So if you're wanting to press it, it would open the rear door on the corresponding sides without having to get out. It's nice if you're picking up friends, family, etc. Overall, car's in great condition. Sienna comes with 17-inch factory alloy wheels wrapped in Bridgestone tires. Exterior of the van is black in color. Got a nice little all-wheel drive badge on the fender there. You can see on the top of the windshield, we got tape holding in the brand new windshield we installed for you. Along the top, we got roof rails on both sides. Rear windows are tinted for privacy, of course. 4-wheel disc brakes. And on the fob here, has 2 extra buttons. Those are for the rear doors. So you hold it, opens up, nice and easy. And then same thing, hold the button, closes right up. So it's really handy to have. At the back of the Sienna, we actually have a trailer hitch at the bottom, so you can definitely pull something with this all-wheel drive van. You can see down here the LE all-wheel drive. And then to get into the rear storage area, take the trusty old fob again, unlock it, pull right underneath the Toyota badge as a point of reference. Opens up nice and tall. Gives you a really nice storage space down here. We actually have your factory floor mats with the vehicle as well. Then there's instructions if you're wanting to fold down the 3rd row seating for additional storage. For the rear interior, instead of pressing the button, you can just pull on the handle. Opens up for you automatically. And then from the interior, there's a button on the pillar here that says power door. So you can press that as well to close it or open it from the inside. So you have the 4 captain chairs in the front and a bench seat in the back for 3 rows of seating. You got your adjustable levers on the side of the second row captain chairs. The arms fold down on both sides. Gives you easy access to the back. And then up here is where we have your rear climate control. And along the roof, you can see there's vents for all the rear passengers there. And the nice thing about the Sienna is the captain chairs in the second row are completely removable. So you can take those out, you can fold down the rear seats, and you can get an incredible amount of storage space if you're wanting to haul something pretty large in the van. And that was the 2018 Toyota Sienna LE all-wheel drive. If you're interested in this all-wheel drive minivan, you can go to parkmazda.ca to fill out your form to book your test drive. When you come down, we get you a $25 Visa gift card or 50 air miles reward miles. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon.